In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Wix. If you're finished working on your Wix account and want to sign out properly, this is a very quick process. Logging out is especially useful if you're using a shared computer, working on a public device, or simply want to keep your account secure after making changes to your website. The good news is that Wix makes this very simple. To begin, make sure you are already on the main Wix dashboard. This is the area where you can manage your website, access your settings, and work on different parts of your account. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. In that area, you should see your profile icon. This is usually where your account options are stored. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. When you do that, a menu will open with several account-related options. Take a moment to look through that menu, and from there, simply choose the option that says Log Out. As soon as you click Log Out, Wix will sign you out of your account. That's it. The process is complete. If you don't immediately see the option, just make sure you click the correct profile icon in the top right of the dashboard, since that is where the Sign Out option is typically located. Also, if the page is taking a moment to respond, give it a second for the menu to fully load before selecting Log Out. This is a small step, but it can be an important one for account safety. Signing out helps prevent other people from accessing your website dashboard, your settings, or any connected business information when you're away from your device. It's a good habit to get into, especially if you manage multiple websites or switch between different accounts. So once again, from the main Wix dashboard, click your profile icon in the top right, then select Log Out. After that, you'll be signed out successfully, and that's all you need to do to log out of Wix.